Hey guys, it's Michael with Stow-Kent Chiropractic. I'm here with Tammy and we did a new technique that we're learning in the office, and we're going to ask her a couple questions and see how the results have been. So, you've been having a problem with your knee for about 6 years now, right?
Yes.
And what did you do? What happened?
About 6 years ago, I was doing CrossFit and I fell and hurt my knee.
Oh, okay. And what have you done in the past for this?
Well, I was icing it and then I was taking it easy for a while, and then eventually I went through physical therapy,
Mm-hmm.
and that's what I was doing.
And how did the physical therapy help?
It seemed to be okay, but the pain just really never 100% went away.
Okay, all right. So we did this treatment a month ago now. How does it feel after one treatment?
It went away.
It went away completely?
Yeah.
You're not having any issues?
No,
Wow. All right, that's great. So for this new MyoNeural treatment we're doing, would you recommend this to someone else?
for sure.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right, guys.